Hello, everybody. Hello. It's me again, your sister, your friend, Lady J. And if you have not subscribed from my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so that if I put more videos, you will be the first person to know. And if you have subscribed here before, thank you and God bless you. My people, I want to talk about one Tory. One Tory will just come today, you know. So one man don't cry out, say he need advice. He don't know how he want really go about in life again. I say wetin happen. He say in they date this woman for years. 12 they don't dey. The relationship they go well, they smooth well, you know. Everything they okay with the two of them, but so now you see, ever since when you know the girl, things come. You know, say some girls they, if you just know them, they'll your brain lock to man. So things can't change for him. Everything they okay. Money they come for different angle, you know. So everything they okay for them. Now European then they. So now, he contact the girl and say, since ever since he know you, things change for him. So he want marry you. This will not be joke or that anything. And go tell the people if a papa and the mama may they go see your family, he want marry you so that maybe we date together, because this kind of woman, you know, easy to just get like that. The way everything change for him, so he really dey happy, so he want marry you, all those things. Now the girl begin to cry. You come dey ask the girl, now what did they make you cry? He said the girl no want talk. What did they happen? What did make you they cry? For this one now, 3 days, this girl say they cry. And the boy say, this one don't pass, be careful. This cry don't pass, be careful. Now I come to tell the friends, you don't know what they beat this girl. What do you want to do? The girl they cry. The girl still they cry. What did they happen? You get sickness, he say no. Anything they, what if you get any problem with doctor tell you say you get, we say you don't go fit marry, he say no. What be the problem? This girl not fit, no great talk. He say he come begin to tell people. He tell this girl say he want marry him. The girl begin to cry. What did they happen? What did make you they cry? The girl no great talk. I say this one pass am. Then he begin to beg the girl. Okay, if now so, I not go marry you again. If not because of the marriage make you they cry. Okay, maybe we'll forget the marriage. What did they happen? Maybe they do we fair day. This girl they cry. Okay, what did they happen? You tell me. There is not what we not fit solve. Then the girl can finally talk. Say, my people, say she get 3 children for Niger. Now be the thing where they make her cry. He get 3 children for Niger. He not tell this boy one day. Now, the boy want marry him now. Now he come to talk now say he get 3 children. My people. Now the boy say he just tired, he just weak. So me with this girl all day for how many years? For 5 good years, not 12 they don't day for a relationship. This girl never tell her one day saying double picking. Now, when they come tell the girl say he want marry him, now the girl come talk say he get 5 children. 3 children, my people. So he say the thing just tire him. That is in between love the girl, but he not sure say go physically go ahead to marry this girl again. When it tell lie to him, not be able to, because say he get children, that be the problem. When it tell lie, why not tell him at the beginning? Say he get pikin, 3 children. You know, I don't really understand the way some of our ladies, the way that they behave. If you get pikin, tell man, say you get. If you want love, you go love you. You go love you with the children. What do you want on the hide picking for? Picking at everybody home. don't understand. Now so can every go when I see list say the woman get pikin before you not see tell am too. Why? Why you dey hide your own pikin? A man will love you, go love your children. So what will come make you the hide your pikin, your own pikin wey God give you? You don't go tell man say you get. After the man go don fall in love with you, do everything before you come to tell am say you get pikin. As they toast you, now you tell am say I get children, oh, I get pikin, oh, if you want to follow me. If you love you, he go follow you. So me don't really know why una dey hide una pikin. I don't understand. He say he want leave the girl. Say he need advice. Whether making if na you wey dey look me so, you go ahead to marry that girl or you go leave am. Me don't understand. You go ahead to marry that girl because he need advice. Whether make him go ahead to marry that girl or make him leave the girl. Now say, this one, he passed me. I don't know how to tell him because if I say, make I tell him, say, make it go ahead. Say, make I bring a come out. Make everybody see shook mouth put. Make una advice and whether me go ahead or me not go ahead. But the girl did nice. Now, very nice girl. Just only this crime now he commit. Now we not to tell him. Tell this our brother now say indoor fair get 3 children for Nigeria. That be the problem. So, so don't be say the girl not dey nice. You just that you not tell him. That just be the matey way day. So he say he need whether make him go ahead or may not go ahead because people they advise us make him leave the girl a bad person. We don't tell him. The girl now this, the girl now that. You know, men now they must advise and wrongly now. Make him leave the girl. You know, as in the talk now, him come up for house. Him come up for house, leave the girl. We see him just the friend side. You know. So as in they look social media and they go there, they see my own because okay, me still call me man bring a comment so that him go see una comment everything. But make una anything when una decide. Make una leave una comment so that him go see am. You go read all the comments later. If na see voice record save, make una see send them so that make I will see they send the voice record to them too. So anything when una come decide, say that you go take do something. Say because the thing he pass am. I beg my people, make una advise am because our ladies, I don't understand some women. If you get pikin, more not they hide them. Tell your man say you get pikin before. If you go love you, he go love you. If you not go still love you, make it go. You know, so not be your own. Because any man will go follow you when you get pikin before, you're supposed to love your children. Those children will come be your own too. You understand? So I don't know why I'm not going to hide on our own pikin. You see, get one when I know that time. We just tell everybody saying get pikin. Could you believe say because you don't know man? This girl, if you ask and say where you pikin, go say, she when it's a born pikin. You never feel born pikin, no, God forbid. The way she go tell you can't even be like mumu. You can't be like say, I be not be this girl tell me that I saying get pikin. What in day? You know, just see my the head on a picking. That's what that girl do. So say, many people come they complain and that time I say, this girl not tell. You know that time when this girl talk and saying get picking that time. I say, my sister, that's what we see her more. Even me, he tell me that time, me shock when she did deny and I say she not get picking. Until when the picking, we not gonna know how I can work her again. That is before she come marry the man when they because of her they deny picking. So till today that girl not talk about that picking. When we get picking and go they deny your own picking, your own blood. I don't understand though. Because of love. You just believe say that man will find out one day. You must find out say you get picking. So what's gonna make you the hide your own picking? May God not let me hide my picking, no. God forbid. Picking are everybody own. If your man love you, you go love your own, you go love the picking too. If I the picking supposed to feel love before you, So what you come make you the hide am? Abeg, make una advise this our brother, because he say he need una advice, because anything we wanna tell am na him go do, whether make it go ahead or me not go ahead with the marriage, because he be love the girl. Just that the lie when he lied to am, he said I be the main thing with the worry am now. So I beg my people, make una stroke mouth for this thing, make una help me advise am, so that whether make it go ahead or me not go ahead, make him go see the comments and him go see the voice record them. So thank you everybody and take care until I come your way next time. I remain Lady J. Bye.